Hair care routine. Washing your hair. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week to keep it clean and healthy. Use a mild shampoo that suits your hair type. Massage your scalp gently while washing to increase blood flow and remove dirt. Rinse your hair with lukewarm water to prevent stripping it of its natural oils. Conditioning. Use a conditioner after shampooing to lock in moisture. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing. Focus on the ends of your hair, which tend to be the driest. You can also use a deep conditioning treatment once a week for extra nourishment. Drying and styling. Gently towel dry your hair and avoid rubbing it vigorously. Instead, blot excess water with a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. Limit your use of hot tools like flat irons or curling irons, as they can damage your hair. When you do use them, apply a heat protectant spray to minimize damage. Use a wide tooth comb or a soft brush to detangle your hair, starting from the ends and working your way up. Additional tips. Get regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent split ends and breakage. Use a hair mask once or twice a week to provide an intense dose of nourishment. Choose a mask that suits your hair type, whether it's moisturizing, volumizing, or color protecting. Also, protect your hair from the sun by wearing a hat or using a hair product with SPF.